Hey there, beautiful people! Are you ready to embark on a journey towards healthier, more radiant skin? Well, buckle up, because we're about to reveal the top 8 foods that might be causing your skin to lose its glow. But don't worry, we're not just going to leave you hanging with the bad news. We'll also share some tips on how to counteract these effects and keep your skin looking its best. So, are you ready to say goodbye to dull skin and hello to a radiant complexion? Let's get started. Low-fat foods. Did your eyebrows shoot up in surprise? It's a common reaction. The world has been singing the praises of low-fat foods for a while now. But here's the plot twist. They might not be the superheroes of skin health as you've been led to believe. Let's delve into the science of it. Your skin cells, particularly the membranes, are composed of about 50% saturated fats. These fats are not your enemies. They are the building blocks that give your skin its plumpness and resilience. When you start replacing these essential fats with other types or, worse, eliminate fats from your diet, your skin pays the price. It can start to look dull, lose its elasticity, and even age prematurely. So what's the solution? Embrace healthy fats. They are the carriers of fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, each playing a crucial role in maintaining your skin's health. Vitamin A, for instance, is a powerhouse that promotes cell production and fights off free radicals. Vitamin D acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent, while vitamin E is a potent antioxidant that protects your skin from damage. Vitamin K is known for its ability to help with blood clotting and can assist in healing skin conditions like stretch marks, spider veins, and scars. The sugary foods slip up. Now let's talk about another common culprit in the lineup of skin offenders: sugar. If you're dreaming of clear, radiant skin, sugar is the nightmare you need to wake up from. Consuming excessive sugar can trigger a domino effect in your body. It starts with an increase in insulin levels. This surge in insulin can lead to an increase in androgens, hormones that can cause your sebaceous glands to go into overdrive. These glands produce oil, and when they're enlarged, they produce more oil than your skin needs. The result? Blocked pores and the dreaded acne breakout. If you're battling acne or just want to maintain your skin's health, it's time to reassess your relationship with sugary treats. This doesn't just mean the obvious culprits like candies and desserts. Hidden sugars lurk in many foods and drinks, including fruit juices, sauces, and even some types of bread. Grains and alcohol. Grains, a staple in many diets, might not be as innocent as they seem when it comes to your skin health, especially those grains that quickly convert into sugar in your body, causing a spike in your blood sugar levels. This sugar rush triggers a domino effect in your body, leading to increased insulin levels, which can result in inflammation and a host of skin issues, including acne and premature aging. Moreover, grains are high in omega-6 fatty acids. While these fatty acids are essential for our bodies, an imbalance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids can lead to inflammation. Modern diets often contain an excess of omega-6 fatty acids, thanks to our increased consumption of grains and processed foods, tipping the balance and promoting inflammatory conditions, including skin disorders. Vegetable oils, not as healthy as you think. Now, let's talk about vegetable oils. The term vegetable might make these oils sound healthy, but the reality is far from it. Many of these oils, including corn oil, soy oil, and canola oil, are derived from grain seeds and undergo heavy processing, which can strip away their nutritional value. These oils are high in omega-6 fatty acids, contributing to the imbalance we discussed earlier. They also compete with omega-3 fatty acids, essential for skin health in your body. This competition can lead to a deficiency in omega-3s, promoting inflammation and leading to skin issues. Moreover, the processing these oils undergo can introduce harmful compounds like trans fats and free radicals, which can damage skin cells and accelerate skin aging. Processed proteins. You might be wondering, what's the big deal about processed proteins? Well, it's not as simple as it seems. Processed proteins, such as soy protein isolates or hydrolyzed soy protein, are often marketed as healthy alternatives to animal-based proteins. However, they might not be as beneficial for your skin as you think. Firstly, these processed proteins are not very bioavailable. Bioavailability refers to how well our bodies can absorb and utilize a nutrient. When a protein is not bioavailable, it means our bodies can't effectively use it. This can lead to a deficiency in essential amino acids, the building blocks of proteins which are crucial for skin health. Moreover, these processed proteins can lead to skin problems. They can cause inflammation, which can manifest as redness, swelling, and acne on your skin. They can also disrupt your hormonal balance, leading to skin issues like acne and premature aging. So, what's the solution? It's simple. Opt for natural, high-quality proteins. Foods like eggs, fish, seafood, and grass-fed meats are packed with bioavailable proteins that your body can easily absorb and utilize. These proteins provide your skin with the essential amino acids it needs to regenerate and repair itself, promoting a healthy, glowing complexion. The milk and whey protein powder. Now let's talk about milk and whey protein powder. These are common ingredients in many people's diets, especially those who are into fitness. However, they might not be the best choice for your skin. Milk and whey protein powder can affect your sebaceous glands due to the hormones present in them. These hormones can stimulate your sebaceous glands to produce more oil, leading to oily skin and acne. If you've been struggling with acne and can't seem to figure out why, your protein shake might be the culprit. Moreover, many people are intolerant to lactose, a sugar found in milk. This can cause inflammation in the body, which can manifest as skin problems like acne, rashes, and redness. If you notice skin problems after consuming milk or whey protein powder, it might be time to cut them out of your diet. Instead, opt for plant-based proteins like quinoa, lentils, and chickpeas, or lean animal proteins like chicken and turkey. These are less likely to cause skin problems and can provide your body with the essential nutrients it needs for healthy skin. Low antioxidant foods. Antioxidants. These are powerful substances that protect your skin from various forms of damage. They act like your skin's personal bodyguards, warding off harmful elements that can wreak havoc on your skin's health and appearance. When you consume foods rich in antioxidants, you're essentially equipping your skin with a protective shield. This shield combats the harmful effects of free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage the cells in your body, including your skin cells. Free radicals can be produced by your body's metabolic processes, but they can also come from external sources like the sun's UV rays, air pollution, and even certain foods. Now, imagine what happens when your diet is low in antioxidant-rich foods. Your skin's protective shield weakens, leaving it vulnerable to the onslaught of free radicals. This can lead to premature aging, dullness, and a host of other skin issues. Processed foods in particular are often low in antioxidants. They're stripped of many natural nutrients during the manufacturing process, leaving them devoid of the antioxidants your skin craves. So, while that bag of chips or box of cookies might satisfy your taste buds, they're not doing your skin any favors. The impact of foods that destroy gut flora. Moving on, let's delve into the fascinating world of gut health and its connection to your skin. Your gut is home to trillions of bacteria, collectively known as the gut flora or microbiome. These microscopic organisms play a crucial role in your overall health, including the health of your skin. A balanced gut flora aids in digestion, supports your immune system, and even helps regulate your mood. But did you know that it also influences your skin? Research has shown a strong connection between gut health and skin health. A healthy gut can contribute to a clear, glowing complexion, while an imbalanced gut can lead to skin problems. Certain foods, unfortunately, can disrupt your gut flora. Artificial sweeteners and processed foods are prime culprits. They can alter the balance of your gut bacteria, leading to a condition known as dysbiosis. This imbalance can trigger inflammation in the body, which can manifest on your skin in the form of conditions like rosacea, acne, and eczema. So, the next time you reach for that diet soda or microwave meal, consider the impact on your gut health and, in turn, your skin. Opting for foods that support a healthy gut flora, like fermented foods and fiber-rich fruits and vegetables, can help maintain your skin's natural glow. Tips for healthy skin. Now that we've covered the foods to avoid, let's talk about some ways to support your skin health. Consume a high-fat diet. Your skin thrives on healthy fats. Don't shy away from them. Avoid sugar and carbs. These can lead to skin problems like acne. Consume nutrient-dense foods. These foods are packed with vitamins and minerals that your skin needs to stay healthy. Exercise regularly. Regular exercise can help release built-up stress and promote healthier skin. Get some sun. Sunlight is a natural source of vitamin D, which is essential for skin health. Just remember not to get burned. Remember, your skin is a reflection of your inner health. By taking care of your diet and lifestyle, you can ensure that your skin stays healthy and radiant. So, are you ready to make these changes for the sake of your skin? Let's glow together.